You know for question that. That question they not for ask.
Yeah, Chancy and Spice Cartel, all uno.
I tried this on my Jamaican dad.
My honey bunch, my honey bunch. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Merry Christmas burritos to your friends, to family, everyone who is watching this right now. Big up on yourself, and I hope that you are enjoying this moment with your family. People who are in America, Canada, where have the burritos, them, they're all over. Big up on yourself, and hopefully you are just enjoying the bit of festivities, even though we're still in this pandemic. Just be safe, but we could try full dry yourself. Okay, so let's get into the top 10 countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, impover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Christmas family pick face off. Mikalinda. So burritos, so you know at Christmas time, so everybody's taking their matching pajama photo shoots, but not these people because this is the political edition. So first up we have the first family, Andrew Holness's family, and them do for them nice photo shoot. Take a look. Okay, I like it. Some people online say it look like something one new show was supposed to premiere upon own, and others are saying say it look very official and them like it. But on the other hand, we the opposition leader Mark Golding's family. So this is them. This I give me Keeping Up Kardashian's vibe, and the other show I give me like Greenleaf fan own. So what I want from you to tell me burritos, who for family a picture you think, take the cake, which one look more cohesive, more authentic, give it a nice Merry Christmas vibe there. Sound off below. Number 9, Skilly christening. Alright burritos, so I don't know say Skilly and Tavi, they've been in a relationship for quite a while now, and the two have welcomed their newborn baby, and yes, this is a picture. And everything seems nice and calm. But what took the cake for me is the fact that there's a picture going around with Tavi kind of snuggled up under Skilly arm, and this is the caption. Can you remember the Shensia song? But burritos, I want to hear from you. Are you very, very happy for this couple? And burritos, if you're listening right now, like our coffin season right now, have you been itching up under any particular man harm lately? Sound off in the comments.
I'm at the river. Where are you? In online class?
Number 8, parental advice. Megungu. Alright, burritos. So, I saw this video and this woman was having a conflict with her child, and she took to social media to ask for, I guess, y'all's advice. This is a situation.
I don't normally put my business out there, but I feel like I need to get the opinions of others. So my 15-year-old just told me that me putting a roof over her head, buying her clothes, and seeing to it that she eats is the bare minimum. And it was my choice to have a child, and if I didn't want to have a child to take care of, then I should not have had any, because I reminded her that she was ungrateful and that she was in a better position than a lot of kids in her age group. So basically she's saying I should have had an abortion, and I don't know how to feel about this. As a mother, I don't know how to feel about this.
Alright burritos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you say about this? Are you on the side of the child, or are you more empathetic and understanding towards the mother? Sound off below. Number 7, Michael Lee Chin, yacht. When we are talking about money, we have to go and mention Mr. NCB, Michael Lee Chin. He is a billionaire. We're not talking just millionaire, regular money. The man here like him have his own helicopter, a fly around the place with him just need to go, I guess, anywhere in the world. And so recently we saw this yacht. I think it was, seen in Portland. Said this all of the wealthy people them there in Jamaica. That is where them reside. Anywhere with the water, that is where them show off them wealth. And so Michael Lee Chin has a new yacht, and me don't even know much information about it, but just listen to this little video.
So the boat you just saw coming out of the shipyard and heading for sea trials was Project Enzo earlier this month. Since then, she's been officially named Motoryacht Apo.
Okay, Apo, be strong.
It's a 115 metre or 377 foot super yacht, and she was built by none other than Lursen, who have announced the delivery of the vessel to her owner. So the owner is believed to be Michael Lee Chin, and he's worth an estimated $1.5 billion according to the Super Yacht Fan website. The yacht is 5,000 gross tons and is said to be focused on health and fitness with an extra large wellness centre on board.
Alright, Burrito, so more to hear from you. How many of us can make up for see if we can book the yacht for like one night? I feel like all of my subscribers them, I have to make up and pay like all 100 US. It must add up to something. Number 6, Wild Race, Miss Peas. Alright, so, you know, we don't even know if it's about this video, you know, but I guess everybody are running right now. Everybody is running from Jamaica, and these people are running towards Christmas, it seems. But I did not get to figure out exactly who won. So can you guys help me?
Anymore? On your mark. Set. Go.
No, I don't understand why was the brother running like that, like same around like on ice. Is the fact that the brother, you know, in false start. One, he did false start, but more importantly, I feel he was really trying to put in him track and field 100-meter sprinted technique, but it never, it just looked like him scared for his life right about now. Me not even see who they Shakari in the race. Number 5, Lip Swell, me Angelina Jolie. Alright, Burritos, so I saw this video now on Sparks page, and I guess it's this brother who had quite an unfortunate incident, but him will do a better job explaining what exactly transpired. Take a listen.
AKA Cookie. What happened? You're on an interview now.
I watch them up. I mean, I see them, you know, and right now, one particular can disown me. And then I say, me feel I want to do what I know. People, them ain't lie, you. Take up. Rough, man. Why? I know me trouble them. I don't tell you all that. You know, man. Me get it. Me get it, man. Me get it.
Let me say my hand.
When I never watch them, say me chat too much, but me get it.
Alright, Burritos, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been stung by a wasp yet? And where? Sound off in the comments. Number 4, Papa, no. Me washing machine. Alright, so everybody I think about now is over the whole talk about coronavirus and whether or not they should take the vaccine and, you know, which vaccine is the better one. All kind of stuff. I feel like who that take it already, never ever take it. And who did want to take it. So, like, right about now, I just like... whatever reach you, just reach you, because right now it come like a vibe just around Jamaica. But this young lady decided to have a conversation and try to implore my elder around her to try to go take the liquor, and this is how it went.
Oh, me take a vaccine and nothing to do me.
So you never hear what me say? Push and dog don't have the same love. Yes.
No, you see, if you're going to say no, and if you're going to loud and just like say you're against it, at least do it with a style like this. Because, you know, me can't respect the elder right there, so because that was there, man, that full of style. Number 3, Send Midi. No, this is not as it relates to Spice's Send It Up song. This is a new challenge where people are pranking their parents by recording a voice note and ending it with Send Midi, giving the parent the impression that the voice note is incomplete, and so they keep reiterating the same thing and ending every voice note after that with Send Midi, and at some point in time it tends to frustrate the parent, and this is a very good example of that.
I tried this on my Jamaican dad.
Send me what? Voicemail cut off, send me that. Send me what?
You not hear what I said, Daddy? Alright. She says she need you to send me the... Daddy, please text me or send me a voice note because I can't answer the phone because I'm there at work. But it's urgent. She said she asked me to tell you to send her the...
Ashley, are you listening to the voicemail then what you're sending to me? It keeps stopping at send me that. Send me what? Just tell me what you tell you stop about daddy, you need and daddy. Just tell what you need to send me. What?
I keep on tell you, daddy, but you're not listening. Just listen now. She said she need me to tell you to send her.
You know me, I gotta tell you some bomb ass class word. Listen to the message them you're sending to me. Them keep ending at, she need to send me there and it cut off. Why you don't say we answer early before it reaches 1 minute or a couple seconds? It keep cutting off at you. She need to send me the, listen to their message to me. Send their message them you're sending to me.
Daddy, on my end, it good, me I hear everything. All right, let me take my time. She tell me, she just called me, come at work, and she tell me, to tell you, say, to send me the...
Ashley, just go listen. A bad word never blood because it keep cutting off. All the things she just saying at early. Why you saying? Why you reach make it end up to a couple seconds? And you reach, she reach to send me there and it cut off. That's what I'm getting on my end. Okay? So if you not blood, text it to me, don't bother advice mail it to me.
No, you see me the think about to try this with my mother or my father, but you see the way of for them head at, me not think me have a clean version for even show uno. So like I'm glad for uno where I try to out with an appearance. And for the parents and the grandparents who are watching this right now, if you get a message like this, it is not your hearing going bad. And they picnic them I try to fatigue you because them say it's Christmas and you want to enjoy yourself and them want to dry you out. Okay? So take that bit of advice from me.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Before the girls them sexy and young. Run along, sing along. Well then, pick up the pen.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Spice. Big up to Spice again for making Obama's favorite music of 2021 for her single with Sean Paul and Shaggy, Go Down Day. Also want to big up social media personality Chiny K on her deal with the Netflix series, as well as her giving back during the holidays. And you know, me I forgot big up Dan because him have him, I think it's what, the 7 days of Christmas give back thing, and he recently gave back to the Children's Hospital. So it's definitely a really good thing and a good look.
It's not too bad. We have to give the Lord thanks and praise because you know last year nothing never go on because you have the pandemic and the...
Number 2, Jahsii interview. Alright, Berrydos, I'm sure you have seen this interview. This interview went viral because I feel like the artist was a bit intoxicated. I know, so when people kind of drunk or under the influence, it tends to make them thought their mind in the non-PR way, non-PC way. And this is what we got. And some people online are saying that it seems as if Anthony Miller met his match because it was quite a toe-for-toe thing.
A question about crime getting a particularly animated response from the DJ.
Crime can't stop. Me can't stop crime. You worse I can't stop crime. You hear me told you? See police them down a station. Worse. And them I create the crime.
How?
What you mean? You don't know corruption. A corruption cause crime. Corruption cause crime. Yeah.
How you get rid of the corruption?
Human beings corrupt, police are corrupt. Me tell all of my friend them say, yo, me no friend killer, but if my friend them really I try if he kill me, what you feel like me to do? Eh?
So if I...
No, me I go ask me, no, let me ask you.
Alright, go ahead.
Me tell my friend them when I grow with from marble and box chuck and pampas and nappy, say, if me find out say one of them I try if he kill me, me I go murder them. What you think me should have do? What you think me for do?
I don't think you should murder anybody.
Listen to me, Anthony. Human being a corruption. That's why me tell you say crime can't stop.
How close have...
Okay, Burritos, you know, like, I'm saying if I were Anthony Miller, then this is an awesome interview because of them frank responses you want. But definitely if I were probably managing Jahsii and be part of him team, I might have to jump in and say point of information. Can we cut that from the tape? Because me not think it might make me artist look in the best light. But for people who like to study like culture and you know, anthropology and them stuff there, it definitely gives an insight into the reality and how many Jamaican youth, you know, feel about the society and the system. And so on that level, it was great to hear it from a young upcoming artist like Jahsii. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you think about the interview and what is your favorite song from Jahsii so far. Sound off below.
This is your main burger. You're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked and don't move a muscle. Ace.
And number one goes to family TikTok video. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to family TikTok video. No, people mentally right up, straight up. This is not a Jamaican video, but like, because I look at Christmas vibes and the festivities, I feel like I did want to, bring it in a video. And so this is where a TikToker went to their family get together and they literally did a description of every member of the family. And when me tell you, you see from your look on the people, them, and you see the description right there, so it's like it just come together perfectly. Take a look. You see exactly what I was telling you? You see exactly what I was telling you? This video was a masterpiece. Like, honestly, it actually encouraged me to want to do this with my own family. Now, bear in mind, I kind of get it messed up because half of my family now can really gather like this because everybody there in them different parts of Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey, and Foreign, and the Greater Atlantic Ocean. So it would have really hard to do something like this, but it would have fun. But the way our Jamaican families stay, if we try to them, people are up in them feelings, are cussing, are going in the family WhatsApp group them, like, Because if me go put in like all beggy, and thieving, I'm miserable, I can't do them something with my family. So, yeah, for a peaceful life, I am going to suggest that Jamaicans do not do this Christmas. Like, save it for the new year because war broke out. But that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of the Christmas edition of the social media countdown. Honestly, people, I'm way up on the road and I just decide some of us or up on this video really quick and fast because my brother is about to be here and cuss me for not getting ready. So I just decide to have 10 minutes. Let me try to whip up the countdown so we can have this for Christmas Day. So if the countdown seems like a rush, just bear with me about, hopefully you guys are enjoying the Christmas Day so far, and big up the matching pajama crew who have relationship and all kind of things can floss on social media, big up on yourself. And for the people who imagine matching pajama, they get stuck on the ship and never get for collect a Florida or wherever. I'm very, very sorry, but you can maybe match with like something else. You must can find one white shirt and match something. Build the vibes, okay? And for the people who are having dinner right now while you're watching or still cooking dinner, let me know what is on your menu in the comments. I want to know who have 2 meat, who have 3 meat, who have 4 meat, and who have like brand new meat, who not have like zebra leg at them, something there. I want to show off in the comments section. Okay, take care. Merry Christmas, burritos. A Merry Christmas to you and your family. And thank you as always for supporting me and the social media countdown. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.